Hi guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am unboxing this month's GLOSSYBOX. Now if you don't know what GLOSSYBOX is, it's a monthly subscription box of 5 beauty items. Now these can be makeup, skincare and hair care products, and the box is £13.25 obviously monthly. Now they can be full sizes, deluxe sizes, but GLOSSYBOX is really good for doing like full size products. Not every single product is full size in the box, but you do get 1 or 2 full sizes out of the entire box. I'll also link their website in the description box and any other kind of information that you might need to know about this month's box. But for now, that's all you need to know. I can't wait to open this box up, so let's just jump straight into the video and start unboxing. So here's the box for this month. It's just a standard pink box, no special design this month. And inside you just get the pink and black. You do get a description card with every single box, so I will pop it to the side and read what this box is about in a minute. And then you just get the normal pink tissue paper and the black ribbon. We'll open this in a minute. And here is the front of the description card, a glossy, trending beauty. That's very, very pretty. So I'm just going to read the description about this month's box. So it says, "Hey Glossies, we're embracing high-end beauty trends this month. From mineral makeup to Korean beauty and sustainable skincare. We've curated a beauty trend edit featuring all the products you need to stay en vogue. Our May box is filled with 5 full-size products, including makeup must-haves, front-running skincare and award-winning Nailcare. This month we've also partnered with Remington. If you find a golden ticket in your box, you're the lucky winner of the latest hairstyling tool, the Curl and Straight Confidence 2-in-1 straightener. Good luck." We do have a sneak peek for June's box, and we have another product by Avent, and this says, "In June we're inviting you to try Avent's Silky and Lightweight Primer. Worth £85, it improves the texture of your skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also hydrates, mattifies your complexion, helping your makeup to look smoother and last longer." I have tried the brand Avent, and I think it was a skincare. I think it's like a hydrating, cleansing skincare product, and it was really, really good, and it was like worth £80 as well. So I'm looking forward to trying out this primer. So now it's time to actually get into the box and find out what we have. So I'm just undoing the bow. And this is what the inside looks like. You can't really tell, but there it is. So I'm just going to pop the box aside and pick the first product out. So the first product on top is the sneak peek from last month's box, and it's the Barry M Chiseled Cheeks Contour Cream Kit. I was actually wondering which one I was going to get, because you do get the contour or the highlighting palette, but I am happy that I did get the contour kit. So it just says on the back, "Create a beautifully sculpted makeup look with these 6 super blendable professional cream shades. Perfect for chiseling cheekbones, defining the face and shaping the nose. This palette contains 3 colour shades and 3 highlight shades." So it also has pictures and how to kind of like instructions to show you how to do like the contour areas. Inside you do get a mirror and then the 6 products on this side. I won't be able to use all of these products just because some are going to be too dark for me. Most likely use these 2 and probably the peach one if I ever have like dark under eyes. But these 2 are a little bit too dark. Okay, so Barry M Cosmetic Chiseled Cheeks Contour Cream Kit. Contouring as a beauty trend is nothing new, but it's time to put a 2019 spin on it. Forget the overly sculpted look. This year it's all about the subtle definition. That's where your Chiseled Cheek Contour Kit comes in. Apply a dark shade to your cheekbones, jawline and hairline, then seamlessly blend it with a lighter shade to smooth out the look and subtly define your features. So this is £7.99. That's quite cheap for a contour kit, and it's from barrym.com or like Superdrug, or I think even Boots do it. So you can find it in different places, and if it works, it's good. So the second product is by the brand Mudmasky, and it's a aftermask vitamin serum. So you put this after you apply a mask, and it says it's good for extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting and nourishing. This is a 30ml tube. It just says wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the serum during day or night. Use after any face mask to nourish and feed your skin with the right vitamins. So it is a very watery formula, and it's kind of like a white going on to clear. It doesn't smell of anything, it's nice and smooth on my skin, and I think it will feel nice after using a mask. Okay, so Mudmasky Aftermask Vitamin Serum. This serum is at the forefront of an up-and-coming beauty trend. The first skincare product in the world specially designed to be used after a face mask. It nourishes your complexion with the vitamins your skin will be craving after an intense clay, charcoal, sheet or peel-off mask treatment. Simply apply a thin layer to your face after removing your mask and you'll have soft and smooth skin. Now this is a full size for £43. £43, and this is a 30ml tube. Like I said, that's a lot of money. So the next product is by the brand Annabelle Minerals, and this is a mineral blush in rose. It has a cool kind of like cap, opening cap, and I do believe Bare Mineral has these on their products, as I remember doing a advent calendar last year for Bare Minerals and I was finding it very hard to kind of figure out how to open it, but I did in the end, and it is actually the same. And then to close the actual cap so no product is wasted, you just turn it like that. And then the little openings are closed up so no product is wasted, which I think is really, really handy. How many times you don't have something to put over it and you put the actual lid on and you open it and it goes everywhere. So this is really, really cool, kind of like shutting mechanism. Really, really cool. And here is the colour Rose. It's a matte colour, really, really pretty. It's not too bright, it's quite subtle. So Annabelle Minerals Mineral Blush in Rose. Mineral makeup is a trend that's here to stay. Boosting natural and lightweight ingredients, it's not only suitable for all skin types but actually helps heal, soothe and protect your complexion. That's why we love this blush so much. 100% organic, it's formulated with 4 mineral ingredients that will help maintain a healthy skin. Plus the gorgeous pink shade will give your cheeks a rosy and radiant flush. Now this is a full size for £12.50. Now I think that is a reasonable price for a mineral product, and this is 4 grams. So again, I think that is a reasonable price for this product. So the next product is by the brand Beauty Kitchen, and it's Naturaline 100% natural, 0% petroleum natural lip treatment. Now petroleum is basically just Vaseline, so this is a Vaseline that you apply to your lips. See, same colour. And this is a 20-gram tub. It's a quick fix for dry lips, and I think it's just Vaseline. It's got no smell to it, so right, so it just says 2019 is all about sustainable beauty. Beauty Kitchen has created this 0% petroleum sustainable lip treatment that is more effective and less greasy than petroleum jelly alternatives. Made with 100% natural ingredients, this balm moisturizes and protects your lips for up to 8 hours, keeping them soft, beautiful and healthy. Better yet, the packaging is 100% recyclable and made from recycled tin plate. Good for the environment, great for your lips. Full size for £2.99. So the last product we have is by the brand Nailberry, and it is Love Me Tender Nail Polish. Now this is a beautiful colour. I definitely will be wearing this. I love this colour in everything: lipsticks, eyeshadows, nail polishes. I love it. I love the mauves. It has a nice and long brush. I love these kind of brushes because it's easier to apply it on with. And this has 15 millilitres of product in. I love the packaging. It's just very simple, so I can't actually wait to apply this to my nails. So it just says, meet the next generation of state-of-the-art nail polish. Part of Nailberry's revolutionary oxygen range, this multi-award-winning nail polish uses patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure without compromising on colour quality. It covers your nail with a unique film which allows air and water vapour to pass through, ensuring your cuticles are protected even while wearing nail polish. You're going to look so a la mode. And this is a full size for £14.50. Now I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm really excited to try this out, and the colour again is just insanely beautiful. Okay, so that's it for this month's Glossy Box. Now I'm actually loving most of these products. I'm definitely going to be trying out the contour cream kit, the mineral blush, definitely the nail polish. The serum that you can use after masks I think is going to be a really good idea. Hopefully I'm going to be doing one tonight as B is coming to stay for the weekend, so maybe we'll try it out together. I don't really use Vaseline. I've got my own kind of products that I do use, so this will go to someone who will use it because I do know someone who does use these, so this will go to her. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.